Hi guys, welcome back to Nairobi Legal Insights. In our video today, I want to lead you through the process of how you can be able to convert your high school grades into the Kenyan grading system in case you did your high school in another country or in case you did the international British system, which is the IGCSE system. Remember, this is a requirement for a student who has gone through law school and you're looking forward to joining Kenya School of Law. Now, as part of application to KSL, you will be required to submit your high school certificate. And should you happen to possess a foreign high school certificate, there's a need for you to equate that certificate into the Kenyan grading system. So this is the process I want to share with you today. So the first step of this entire process is to go to the Kenya National Qualification Authority portal. So you come online and tap on that. This is the page. And once you're here, you're going to scroll down. You can read through this in case you want to understand what Kenya National Qualification Authority is all about. But basically, you just need to scroll and come here to equation of qualifications. Now, you go ahead and tap here. And once you tap on that tab, you see the general requirements for equation of qualifications. So I just want to break this down for you so that you understand this practically. So let me begin by explaining what happens in the event that we have a Kenyan student who did the international British system, the IGCSE system. In this case, you're converting this certificate into the Kenyan grading system. So for Kenyan student, what is required of you is to actually upload clear certified copies of your certificates, including your ID. And these documents must be certified by an advocate or a commissioner of oaths. So this is what you need to do as a Kenyan student with a foreign high school certificate. On the other side, for a foreign student, you're a foreign student, and that means you have also foreign high school grades. In this particular instance, you're going to get your documents and scan them, download. You can scan your passport, scan your certificates. After that, you print them out, and then you take them to an advocate of the High Court to certify them, as well as a notary public. So you can find an advocate who is also a notary public to go ahead and actually certify your documents. So this is the difference between foreigners and Kenyan students. We might have some instances whereby a student maybe studied in France. You did your high school in France and you have a high school certificate in French. In this particular instance, what is required of you is to actually get a certified language translator to actually translate your certificate, and that translated certificate must bear a stamp. And obviously, as we go further, we're going to be explaining the practicality of these general requirements so that you know how to do the entire process. And in case you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment and I'll respond to you so that you know how you can go about the entire process, or you can always reach out so that we assist each other. So this is a very interesting process that you must do for yourself because previously it used to be manual, but now it is online. Also, the other thing you need to remember is that for a Kenyan student changing their foreign certificate, or by foreign, I mean, of course, you did the British system, you didn't do the 844 system, you didn't go through CSE. In this particular instance, you're going to pay 5,000 for equating your grades, while for a foreigner, you're going to pay 10,000. On top of the 10,000, you're going to pay 50 bob as transaction fee. So I want us now to go through the process so that you see what exactly happens. So you come and click here, visit portal. And once you're here, you're going to come to apply for service now. Now, when you're on this page, you scroll down to O and A level. This is where you come to convert your high school grades into the Kenyan grading system. That is where you actually click. Once you click on that, you're going to come to proceed to submit an application, and then you go ahead and click on this. Now, I did this process already for someone who actually possesses a foreign high school certificate, and so the system can already detect a previous process I went through. And over and above this, I want now to, for purposes of actually showing you what to do, let me click on new application. But in the event that you're doing it for the very first time on your computer, then you will not have to actually make a new application. You just proceed into the details of the entire process. So when we click here, you can see the things to note before submitting your application. Ensure that you come and click on equation. You click here. This is what is required of you. So after clicking on equation, for a Kenyan student with an IGCSE certificate for high school, then you're going to pay 5,000 for your conversion, while for foreign student with probably a certificate from Congo or Rwanda, you're going to pay 10,000 for conversion of your high school grades. Now you proceed. In this particular instance, because this is a foreign student with foreign certificates, in this particular example, this student will be required to pay 10,050 bob. While if you are a Kenyan student with probably an IGCSE certificate, then you're going to pay 5,000 bob. After this, as you can see, before you proceed to payment, you must attach an affidavit from an advocate and a commissioner of oaths. So when we talk about an affidavit, what we mean is that this is a document where you state your name. You basically identify yourself and say that the certificate whose conversion you need, you're the person who actually attained those particular certificates, and they're truthful. At the end, you're going to sign, and then it is going to be stamped by an advocate and a commissioner of oath. So this is what you attach here. Then you proceed and pay 5,000 bob for Kenyan student and 10,050 for foreign student. This is the entire process. Should you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment. And if you found this video helpful to you, you can also share it with your friend and give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Nairobi Legal Insights so that you receive notifications every single time we post a new video. Asante.